Enabling two-factor authentication on Google Meet adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are using the account that you want to secure with two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section of your Google account. You can find this option in the left-hand menu or by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Manage your Google account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. In the security settings, scroll down until you see the Signing into Google section. Click on two-step verification to start the setup process. Step 4. Set up your second factor. Follow the prompts to choose your second factor of authentication. You can select options such as receiving a text message, using the Google Authenticator app, or a security key. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Step 5. Confirm and test. After setting up your second factor, Google will prompt you to test it. Sign out of your account and sign back in to ensure that the two-factor authentication works as expected. Make sure you have access to your second factor during this process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Google Meet account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your second factor accessible for future logins.